Hi, my name is Bernie, and my good friend Jackson's going to show you his favorite trucks of January 2017. And welcome back to Garbage Trucks Rules!
Hey guys, welcome back to Garbage Trucks Rules! And these are my current favorite trucks.
Let's see.
This is my mini excavator.
We just saw that one the other day, didn't we? Well, I could understand why that would go to the top of the list.
Yeah, because you get to dig with it and you get to have some fun with it.
So not only are we going to show you, we're going to actually do some digging, right? Because look at all this dirt we got around here. What else you got?
I got a bulldozer and you get to...
Oh, I haven't seen that one before.
You get to raise it up and then dump it if you want.
And what else you got?
A truck, a normal truck.
Yeah, show us that. Is that a Ford or a Chevrolet or a GMC?
Ford.
Awesome. How long have you had that one? I haven't seen that one either.
2 years.
Wow. Can I see that flatbed on it or the back of it? Cool. Got a trailer hitch. You ever pull anything with it? What do you pull?
Trailers.
Awesome. What else?
What is it called?
Is that a grader?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what does that do?
It pushes dirt.
Cool. All right. Don't be shy. We got some little neighborhood kids that walked up. That's okay. Go ahead. What else you got, Jack? Yeah. Now we've had that one for a long time, haven't we? I like the colors of that.
I got a truck
that one says 1 on the side. And did that come with like a trailer or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just can't find it?
Yeah.
I like the color. It looks good sitting next to that garbage truck. All right, number 7. Okay, that one's got to have been in the most times in our videos, because that one we just had the other day, and it always seems to find its way into our videos. A blue front loader. Now, have you ever heard of ERTL before?
No.
I haven't either.
What's a garbage truck?
Yeah, that's cool. All right, what else you got?
Skid steers.
Yeah, and we saw that one the other day. And let's get to that bottom level right there. Mm-hmm.
This is a fire truck. It's a kind of small fire.
Wow, awesome. So does that actually have water hoses and stuff on it?
Mm-hmm.
On the top there. Cool. All right, and what's the last one?
This is a big giant red truck.
A big giant red truck. You think that's 4-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Wow. And it says Super Lift. Is that a Ford?
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
it's a Ram.
Yeah, Dodge Ram.
What? Thanks guys for watching. I hope you share, like, and subscribe, and see us in the next video. Bye.